Hey friends, it's John, your carnivore teacher. Welcome back to the mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of the Body. Today we're focusing on the lymphatic system, one of the unsung heroes of your body. It's a vital network that supports your immunity, removes waste, and maintains fluid balance throughout your body. So let's dive in. What is this lymphatic system? It is a network of vessels, nodes, and organs that work like a highway for your immune system. It includes lymph, a fluid that carries waste, toxins, and immune cells throughout the body. Lymphatic vessels, the roads that transport lymph fluid. Lymph nodes, these are small hubs that filter harmful pathogens and waste. And organs, including the spleen, tonsils, and thymus, which help produce and mature immune cells. The lymphatic system is crucial for draining excess fluid from your tissues, transporting nutrients, and providing a line of defense for immunity and overall health. So what damages the lymphatic system? Modern diets and lifestyles can impede the lymphatic system's ability to do its job. Excess sugar and refined carbs contribute to systemic inflammation and a sluggish lymph flow. Seed oils and trans fat damage cellular membranes and overwhelm the lymph with toxic fatty byproducts. Sedentary lifestyle. Movement and muscle contraction stimulate lymph flow. Without activity, lymph stagnation occurs. Excess alcohol and environmental toxins put additional strain on the lymphatic and immune systems. And nutritional deficiency. Lack of high-quality protein and micronutrients compromises lymph node and vessel health. So how can the carnivore diet support the lymphatic system? Well, an animal-based carnivore approach provides precisely what your lymphatic system needs. High-quality proteins and fats. Build and maintain strong lymph vessels, lymph nodes, and immune structures. Rich in bioavailable nutrients, red meat, organs, and fatty cuts are rich in zinc, iron, selenium, and vitamins A, D, and K2, essential for lymph and immune health. Supports detoxification. By removing seed oil, sugar, and irritants, your lymph can flow more effectively and maintain fluid balance. Stabilizes inflammation. An animal-based approach eliminates dietary triggers that cause lymphatic congestion and swelling. Supports muscle movement. The energy and strength gained from an animal-based diet help you stay active, supporting lymphatic circulation naturally. So here are the benefits you might see on carnivore. People who adopt a carnivore way often notice reduced bloating and fluid retention, stronger immunity and resilience, faster recovery from illness and exercise, reduced swelling, joint discomfort, and lymph node tenderness, and improved overall energy and body composition. So, the lymphatic system is a cornerstone of your health, a vital network that cleans, transports, and protects. By removing irritants like sugar, seed oil, alcohol, and focusing on specific, appropriate, animal-based way of eating, you give your lymphatic system the best chance to function at its peak. So remember, it's never too late to build a better you. Stay strong, stay nourished, and stay carnivore, my friends. Thank you for watching. I'm John, the carnivore teacher. If you like this, click the thumbs up, share it with someone you think can find it beneficial, and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.